message from Indiana Youth Institute. For more parent tips, visit IYI.org.
I'm Charles Payne, and this is the Fox Business Report.
A choppy trading session with stocks gaining steam into the close and finishing mixed for the day, but up for the week. Investors are concerned whether Congress can deliver more financial aid for the economy, which overshadowed better than expected jobs growth. Among the laggards, tech companies, and leading the NASDAQ lower, snapping its 7-session winning streak. Financials were among the gainers. Goldman Sachs.
Here, the tenor Gus Gacious, their latest single, which you've heard here, Fear Not. From the same album, those guys are moving and shaking, as usual. Or as much as we can move and shake these days, I might add.
Shalom, this is Holy Land Moments, presented by the International Fellowship of Christians and Jews, and I'm your host, Rabbi Yechiel Eckstein. Throughout the year, every week in synagogue, we read the Torah or Bible.